Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how to download and install READO application on your iOS device. So let's get started. First of all, launch open your App Store on your iOS device. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now bring up the search box and then type in READO in the search bar. Look for this application that says READO All About Books, and then tap on the Get button to start downloading the app. You may be prompted to enter your Apple ID credential, your Face ID or your Touch ID to start downloading the app. Wait for a couple of minutes and the application will be downloaded on your device. READO is a mobile application designed to enhance your reading experience by offering personalized book recommendations and tools to manage your reading habits. Once the application is downloaded, tap on Open and there you have successfully downloaded and installed READO on your iOS. Log into your existing account or create a new account for READO and get started. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.